Now she knows we're here. Oh, we gotta run away. We thought we were getting close. Down and dirty.
Sorry.
So down and dirty, just keep trying to pull her backwards. That's it. Ooh, she's gulping. That's it. Just get her to pull the boat. Keep pulling her backwards. Back to your right. Ooh, she didn't like that. Ooh, piss and vinegar. It's nice and smooth. Just good long pulls down. That's it. Get her to pull the nose of the boat. Get her to just tow us around. Oh no! Really?